Look how big that plane is. We're about to get on and fly across the water to Europe or the UK, Manchester specifically. Welcome back to TmezTv. Just showed up to the UK, got off the flight about an hour ago. Been waiting in lines, got a rental car, and we're about to go do a little bit of driving around. Very tight around here. We're driving around, getting the feel of the manual, and it's very old country here.
The stickers.
Well, here it is. The UK stock car, Formula One stock car that I'll be racing. Got myself kind of fitted, and check it out, it's got a clutch.
Yeah, that just can sit tight.
Yeah, I like that. Anything will help, because I'm short and I can barely reach the pedal. Check this thing out, what a beast. Said it makes about 700 horsepower. Pretty heavy duty stuff here. So this is the truck and trailer, or the truck trailer. This thing is badass. The big old fat right rear, the way you guys stretch them is so cool. Look at this thing. Dry sump tank, fuel tank. Full-blown race car that they're allowed to kind of beat each other with. So this is what it looks like underneath. Just kind of getting fitted. So how big are the motors?
That's a big motor.
Like
It's a 430, I think. Right?
430. Yeah, this thing's clean. Looks brand new. That's a heavy beam, isn't it? Those front axles.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
The headers are beautiful. Everything's just stuffed in there. So, who builds the chassis?
Me.
Oh, you build them right here?
Yeah.
No shit. That's awesome.
I built this one and that one, that new one in there at the same time. Did two together.
So it's steel plated on everything. The roof, the sides.
This is quarter, probably quarter.
A quarter,
5 millimeter.
Yeah.
That's 1/8.
Yep.
3 mil.
Huh. Is there noise?
Yes.
You gotta be like certain quiet or something, because it's got quite the muffler on it, don't it?
You have in Holland, that's why it's got 2 on.
Oh, I see. Oh, you guys were in Holland?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty badass. What kind of like, how long do you get out of a chassis or a car? I guess it just depends on how the racing goes.
Well, that's 10-year-old, that one. But it's just had a major rebuild.
So those are the dirt wings, and then the pavement wing is just like a normal aluminum wing. Got quite the Yamaha collection up there. Well, made it to the hotel room, and things are a little tighter around here. And the plugs look different. We're about to go get some food and try to get recalibrated on England time, because adjusting to where you're going in the new time zone is always a challenge after travel day. Parking is super tight, but there's always a bunch of really nice cars everywhere. Well, it's kind of cold down here, and we're trying to find somewhere to eat. First day in the UK, came down to Manchester, got a place to stay, and it was like noon. We crashed for like 6 hours, got up, and drove down here. Everything's really pretty. Trying to find parking is always fun, but it looks like we found a pretty neat little area. Gonna find something to eat. Madeline usually supplies all the showering stuff, so we got to go buy all that stuff. And luckily, I thought I had to get an outlet. Luckily, my outlet worked, because we weren't gonna have any drone footage if the outlet didn't work. Huh? No, we'll just keep going, I suppose. What? I'm taking too long to decide. I'm sorry. Big Capri Sun. That's an adult-sized Capri Sun. Boom. Like strawberry shortcake. I'm gonna say the Pantene Pro V 3-in-1 or well, right here. Ooh, those look good. I'm getting those. You're leaving? All that looks good, actually. Just get 2 of them, please.
What if it's not good?
Is it citrus? Is what it said?
It's citrus.
Citrus.
Why is there Phantom right now?
All right, so you're wondering what I'm doing in the UK. Rob from Scagness Speedway, the promoter, asked me if I wanted to come over here and run the F1 stock car. So here we are in the UK, driving around on the wrong side of the road. But at least it's miles an hour. In Australia and New Zealand, it's all kilometers, so that's kind of tough. But so running the stock car this Friday, Saturday. I get to do maybe a test Thursday. I'm not exactly sure. It's Tuesday, so you guys too can watch this live. The UK is 5 hours ahead, and so Friday and Saturday, you know, afternoon, you guys could be watching this from noon until 5 or 6 o'clock. They'll be running this thing live. Where's my car? I'm looking for my car. I forgot some stuff out here. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below. Me and Madeline are going to get all cleaned up, kind of ready for tomorrow. It's tough to get around the streets around here. Everything's tight, a lot of traffic, so not sure what we're going to do tomorrow, but we got a 3-hour drive to Scagness to go head, so I figured I'd head that way, maybe
catch a castle along the way or do something. It's very old town here, old country. That's what I'm looking for. Thank you so much for watching TmezTv. Really excited to drive a stock car in the UK. I don't know how I get myself into these things other than thank you guys for watching. With the help of the YouTube channel, I'm getting my name out there and I'm flying around, driving race cars and living my best life. Thanks for watching. I'm out.